Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Crochet tutorial. So in this tutorial I am coming with the new designs of stitches named as waffle stitch. So let's get started. Before that I am going to tell you that I am going to use 3.5mm crochet hook. So let's get started. So I am going to make a foundation chain of 16 stitches, yarn over and insert into loop. Again yarn over, insert into loop. Yarn over, insert into loop. As you can see. Again yarn over, insert into loop. Yarn over, insert into loop. The first round is going to complete. I am going to start the second round. Before that I am going to tell you I'm going to skip this one and move into this one and making a double crochet in US and in UK treble crochet. So yarn over, insert into that loop, pull through. Now you can see I had made 3 loops on the hook. Pull through 2, again pull through 2, yarn over, insert into next stitch, pull through. As you can see 3, as you can see I have 3 loops on the hook. Pull through 2, pull through 2, again yarn over and insert into next loop, pull through 2, pull through 2. Now you can see again yarn over, insert into loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. I am going to complete in a time that you have now you have a time to pause the video and practice it. As you can see I have completed. So I am going to start the second round making a chain, and as you can see yarn over and insert into that loop and make a double crochet. As you can see I have 3 loops on my hook. Yarn over, insert into 2 loop, again yarn over, insert into 2 loop. So yarn over, what you have to do is you have to pass under that stitch and make a double crochet. As you can see, again yarn over and make a double crochet, again yarn over and insert into next. As you can see again yarn over and pass under that stitch. Again yarn over and make a double crochet. Again yarn over. I am going to insert into this one. Yarn over and make a loop like this one to pass under the stitch, like this one. Again making 2 stitches. So as you can see, round 2 is completed. I am going to start the third round making a chain and make a double crochet. Again double crochet. Now you have to pass under that loop, as you can see. Yarn over, pass under the loop. As you can see, and make a double crochet. Again pass under the stitch, yarn over, pass under the stitch. The third round is little bit complicated, but when you pause the video and see it clearly, it will be helpful for you. Again pass under the stitch. This is the right side and this is the left side. So make a chain and make a double crochet. Again pull under under the loop and make a crochet. So you have to make as it is double crochet. As you can see, I have completed 1 and 2, same as 1 and 2. Now I am going to make 3rd and 4th. Again, make a chain and make a double crochet as it is. Again, make a double crochet. Again, yarn over and pass under the stitch. Again, yarn over. Double crochet as it is. Again, pass under the stitch. As you can see, this is making a waffle stitch. Now I have completed the 5th round and going to make a 2nd round, making a chain, again double crochet, 2 into 1 and 2 into 1. Again, pass under the stitch, 2 into 1 and 2 into 1. As you can see, I am going to make again a double crochet, yarn over and pull through under the stitch. I'm going to complete it. As you can see, I have completed the 6th round. As you can look, and again eight rounds. Now I am going to make it border. So as you can see, making a single crochet. Again making a single. In the next one, I am going to make the single crochet on the 4th side. This is the design that is best for baby blanket. You can make it easily. I'm going to make on the 4th side. Now there is a corner, you can see. Same as you have to make the corner like this one. As you can see, I had made on the 4th border a single crochet. Now I am going to make the 2nd round of the single crochet. The border, the corner. I had completed the 2nd round of single crochet. Now I am going to end it and make just a slip stitch. As you can see, this is a completed waffle stitch. You can make it anything, especially this design is best for the blanket. As you can see, both are same. Hope so this will be helpful for you. If you like anything in this video, please thumb up and share this video. Thank you.